Welcome to iMotors Mind, your go-to channel for the latest in luxury cars and bikes. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Dodge Ram 1500, a truck that blends power, performance, and premium comfort. Whether you're a die-hard truck enthusiast or just curious about what makes this model stand out, stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know. First up, let's talk about design. The 2025 Dodge Ram 1500 has been refreshed with a bolder, more aggressive front fascia. The redesigned grille, featuring Dodge's signature crosshair design, now sports a more intricate pattern that adds a touch of elegance to its rugged appearance. The LED headlights are sleeker, with a more defined shape, giving the truck a sharper, more modern look. Moving to the sides, the muscular wheel arches are paired with 20-inch alloy wheels, making a strong statement. The Ram 1500's body lines are both aerodynamic and aesthetically pleasing, flowing smoothly from the front to the rear. The rear end is dominated by LED tail lights and a multifunctional tailgate that can open in multiple ways, perfect for those who need versatility on the job or for leisure. Stepping inside the Ram 1500, you're greeted with an interior that screams luxury and functionality. Dodge has taken it up a notch with high-quality materials like premium leather upholstery and real wood trim. The 2025 model features a new 12-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen, now with faster processing, enhanced graphics, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The cabin is also quieter than ever, thanks to active noise cancellation technology, making long drives more comfortable. For those who need to haul the family or crew, the rear seats offer plenty of legroom and can now be reclined, making this truck as comfortable as a luxury sedan. Now, let's talk performance. At the heart of any Dodge Ram, the 2025 Ram 1500 offers several engine options to cater to different needs. The base model comes with the 3.6-liter V6 e-torque engine, providing 305 horsepower and 269 pounds-feet of torque, ideal for everyday driving and light-duty tasks. For those who crave more power, there's the 5.7-liter Hemi V8 engine with e-torque, which churns out a whopping 395 horsepower and 410 pounds-feet of torque. This engine is perfect for heavy towing, with a towing capacity of up to 12,750 pounds. And for the eco-conscious, Dodge offers a 3.0-liter eco-diesel V6 engine, delivering excellent fuel efficiency without compromising on power. The 2025 model also introduces a new hybrid option, a 4.0-liter twin-turbo V6 plug-in hybrid. This setup not only boosts fuel economy but also provides instant torque for quick acceleration, making it a great choice for both city and off-road driving. On the tech front, the 2025 Ram 1500 is packed with features. The Uconnect 5 system now supports over-the-air updates, so your truck's software is always up to date. It also includes a new off-road pages feature that provides real-time data on your truck's performance when you're off the beaten path. Safety is another area where the Ram 1500 shines. The truck is equipped with the latest driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system, making it easier to navigate tight spots or challenging terrains. So, what sets the 2025 Dodge Ram 1500 apart from the competition? It's the perfect blend of power, luxury, and cutting-edge technology. Whether you're looking for a reliable workhorse, a family vehicle, or a weekend warrior, the Ram 1500 has a model that fits your needs. Plus, with its new hybrid option, it's paving the way for the future of trucks, balancing performance with eco-friendliness. The 2025 Dodge Ram 1500 is more than just a truck, it's a statement. Whether you're on the job site, on the highway, or off-roading in the mountains, this truck is designed to deliver. Thanks for watching iMotors Mind. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest cars and bikes. Until next time, drive safe and stay curious.